Whenever I feel uninspired to make music, I would like to go and sample hunt. I came across this. Open up the sampler, add it in pitch correct, and then I would have all the notes, make a bass line out of it. Beefs up the sample. Next thing I would do now is some kind of like lead synth. Came up with this. Still sounds very basic. We're gonna change up the pattern, find some more basses to fill it out. Frog basses for every first kick hit here. I'm gonna roll with this. I'm gonna fill out this last part here. Also wanna beef up the main lead. I'm gonna find myself a vocal.
You just say stop it, stop it.